In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add labels to the vertical and horizontal axis in Google Sheets using a simple method that makes your charts clearer and more professional. Start by preparing your data. Open your sheet and make sure your data is properly arranged and ready to be turned into a chart. Next, select your data range. Click and drag across all the cells you want to include in your chart. Now go to the top menu, click on Insert and choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart based on your data. Once your chart appears, click on it to open the Chart Editor panel on the right side. If it doesn't open, simply double-click the chart. In the Chart Editor, switch to the Customize tab. This is where you control how your chart looks. Look for the option called Chart and Axis Titles and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose which title you want to edit. First, select Horizontal Axis. Then type your label in the title text box. This could be something like month, category, or product name depending on your data. Next, switch the drop-down to Vertical Axis. Enter a label that describes your values such as sales, quantity, or temperature. Make sure your labels clearly explain what the data represents, so anyone viewing the chart can understand it instantly. If needed, you can go back and adjust the text anytime to improve clarity. That's it. You now have a chart with properly labeled axes, making your data easier to read, understand, and present professionally.